Hi, my name is Kim Matina. This screencast will go over the Screencastify folder that is created in your Google Drive. So after you established your Screencastify account and created your first video, you will notice in Drive a Screencastify folder will be created for you. If you double click on that folder, you will notice there's a whole bunch of videos that should be listed in here. And all of these videos are the videos that you created with Screencastify. It is important to note that you need to rename your videos when you are done recording. If you don't rename your videos, they will be named as with a default file format name with the date and time as shown here. After you look at your videos, you can take the video link and share the link to the video in a HyperDoc or a HyperSlide or even in Google Classroom. All you do is click on the video, go over to the shared icon, the top right. You can change the sharing settings. If you want to share publicly, you can change it to anyone with the link. If you don't, that's fine. You can copy the link here, click done, and then you can paste that link into another resource. I hope you found this screencast helpful.